Yushi Town minus the heartland of China's electrical industry. Chuanli Electric has pioneered power technology innovation for 27 years. As a national high-tech enterprise from Wenzhou, we engineer reliability into every circuit. We specialize in R&D, manufacturing and distribution of high-low voltage equipment across 5 key domains: HVs, which are prefabricated substations, LV intelligent distribution systems, cable branching cabinet, power transformers, customized electrical solutions. Our HV component portfolio features industry-leading indoor vacuum circuit breakers loads, switches disconnectors, outdoor VCBS cable distribution boxes, indoor SF6 gas-insulated equipment, compact tring, main unit. These critical components in power infrastructure, in power transmission, rail transit, data centers, and renewable energy plants worldwide. 3 pillars define our manufacturing excellence. 1 lean production system minus full traceability from raw materials to finished product. 2 global compliance minus certified to IECGBT standards. 3 IDAS 11001 quality management minus lifetime performance assurance. Chuanli Electric, where Wenzhou's manufacturing heritage meets global energy challenges. Partner with us to electrify your next industrial breakthrough.